The fastest street-legal superbike for the money? Are you buying smart or flexing? Let's be honest. Everyone wants the fastest bike, but not everyone wants to sell a kidney to buy one. So here's the uncomfortable truth. In the United States, the fastest street-legal superbike that's still relatively affordable is not exotic, not rare, and definitely not Italian. It's Japanese. Specifically, Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10R. Starting around $17,799 or $18,799 with ABS, you're getting a machine bred from WorldSBK dominance. This is not a beginner bike with dreams. This is a race bike with license plates. 200 plus horsepower, insane electronics, proven track DNA. Now let's stir the pot, because Kawasaki isn't alone. Suzuki GSX R1000, around $17,029. Raw, old school, brutally honest, no gimmicks. Just speed. Honda CDR 1000RR, about $17,774. Precision. Reliability. The bike that works every single day. BMW S1000R, roughly $18,210. German engineering. Crazy tech. But is it worth the maintenance bill? Yamaha R1, $19,624. Sounds like MotoGP. Rides like a dream. Costs like one too. Now here's where the argument explodes. Do you really need a 1000cc superbike? Because under $10,000, the middleweights are watching you laugh. Triumph Daytona 660, $9,195. 95 horsepower. Light, fast, fun. Yamaha R7, $9,199. Torque, control, street weapon. Kawasaki ZX6R, $11,399. Still screaming, still dangerous, still fast. So the real question isn't which bike is fastest. It's this. Do you want bragging rights or rideability? Do you want top speed or real-world fun? Because let's be real, most 1000cc bikes never see full throttle. Now your turn. If you had the money today, ZX-10R, GSX-R 1000, CBR 1000RR, R1, or would you go smart with a middleweight? Comment your pick. Fight in the replies. Share this with someone who thinks they need 200 horsepower.